Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel order on Wayfair. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to cancel an order on Wayfair. First, log into your account on the website or app, then navigate to My Account at the top right corner and select the Orders tab. Find the order you want to cancel and click on it to view the details. Next, check the boxes next to the items you wish to cancel and scroll to the bottom of the page to click Submit. Keep in mind, submitting a cancellation request is not guaranteed will be approved. You'll receive an email by the end of the next business days confirming whether your cancellation was successful. If it's approved, refunds are typically processed within 3 to 5 business days. However, if the order has already reached the preparing for shipping stage, cancellation may no longer be possible and you'll be notified via email. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.